Adjusting the balance sheet. The balance sheet is a fundamental financial statement that provides a snapshot of a company's financial position at a specific point in time. However, to ensure accuracy and reliability of the information, the balance sheet may require adjustment to series of questions will guide you through the process of adjusting the balance sheet, from understanding the key concepts to preparing and interpreting the final financial statement. Understanding the balances. Assets. Assets are ratio or not based on companies such as cash, account, ratio of the interest and fixed assets. These items are expected to provide future economic benefits. Liabilities. Liabilities are obligations the company owes to others such as accounts payable, loans, and account expense. This represents the company debts and financial obligations. Equity. Equity, the owners are stockholders' interest in the company, which is calculated as the difference between assets and liabilities. Understanding the fundamental components of the balance sheet is essential for understanding the ethical instruments to ensure accurate financial reporting. Identifying adjusting entries. 1. External revenue and expenses. Adjusting entries are made to record revenue earned but not yet recovered and expenses incurred but not yet paid. 2. Prepaid expense and internet revenue. Adjustments are also necessary to recognize the portion of prepaid expenses offset as earned revenue earned during the accounting period. 3. Depreciation and amortization. 3. Depreciation and amortization. Adjustments are made to record the systematic allocation of the cost of fixed assets and intangible assets over their useful lives. 4. Bad debt and inventory adjustments. Adjustments are required to account for unstable account receivable and change in the value of inventory. Identifying the necessary adjusting entries is a critical step in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the balance sheet. Preparing adjusting entries. Step 1. Review the trial balance and identify an account that requires adjusting entries. Step 2. Gather the analysis information such as inflation, expense relationship, and asset depreciation schedules. Step 3. Collect the appropriate adjusting entry amounts and record them in the general ledger. Properly preparing adjusting entries is critical for ensuring the balance sheet accurately reflects the company's financial position at the end of the accounting period. Accurate revenue and expenses. Accurate revenue. Accurate revenue represents earned but equivalent revenue such as interest earned on investments or service provided but not yet invested. Accurate expenses. Accurate expenses are costs that have been incurred but not yet paid, such as salaries, utilities, or rent. These rules will be recorded to ensure the balance sheet accurately reflects the company's abilities. Accounting for account revenue and expenses is crucial for presenting a true and fair view of the company's financial position and performance. Prepaid expense and earned revenue. Prepaid expenses Prepaid expenses are costs paid in the advance such as insurance premium or rent. The portion of the expense are during the accounting period must be recorded and the remaining balance is shown of asset. Unearned revenue. Unearned revenue responds payments received in advance for goods or services that have not yet been provided. As the company delivers the good or service, the unearned revenue is recognition of revenue. Properly accounting for prepaid expenses. An unearned revenue ensures the balance sheet accurately reflects the company's assets and liabilities. Depreciation and amortization. Depreciation. Depreciation is the systematic allocation of the cost of the tangible fixed assets, such as equipment for assets. Over its useful life, the adjustment reduces the asset value and the balance sheet. Amortization. Amortization is the systematic allocation of the cost of an intangible asset, such as patent or software over its awful life. This adjustment is also reflected onto balance sheets. Recognizing the operation and amortization on the balance sheet is essential for accurately reflecting the company facet asset in intangible assets. Bad debt and inventory adjustments. Bad debt adjustments. The bad debt adjustment account for the estimated amount of account accounts that may become uncollected. This adjustment reduces the value of accounts receivable on the balance sheet. Inventory adjustments. Inventory adjustments are made to account for changes in the value of inventory, such as balances, damage, or the loss of sales market value. These adjustments ensure the balance sheet accurately reflects the company inventory levels. Properly accounting for bad debt and inventory adjustments is crucial for presenting the company financial position accurate on the balance sheet. Balancing the adjust balance sheets. Review and verify. After making all necessary adjusting entries, the accounting must review the balance sheets to ensure that assets, liabilities, and equity are in balance. Finalize the adjustments. Any experience must be executed or resolved, and the adjusting entries must be finalized to ensure the balance sheet is accurate and reliable. Prepare the final report. Once the balance sheet is balanced and adjusted, the final financial statement can be prepared and presented to management and stakeholders. The final step in the balance sheet adjustment process is to ensure the financial statement is in balance and accurately reflects the company financial position. Interpreting the final balance sheets. Liquidity. The balance sheet provides insight into company liquidity or its ability to meet short-term obligations as reflected in its current assets and current liabilities. Leverage. The balance sheet also reveals company leverage or the extent to which it draws on the financing shown by the ratio of liabilities to equity. Solvency. The balance sheet helps assess company solvency or its ability to meet long-term liabilities by examining the relationship between assets, liabilities, and equity. By interpreting the final adjusted balance sheet, stakeholders can gain valuable insights into the company's financial health, risk profile, and overall performance.